the sea cliffs that we call Sleevely, and the giant who sat there in his own desk and chair. I imagine the monks in their beehives at prayer. Come see with your own eyes, it's my Donegal. It's my Donegal, rugged hills and stone walls. No one's a stranger. It's my Donegal. The sight of our lighthouse in Fannet I crave, because of Saldanha and its pirate who live. The views of Port Salem on a fine summer's eve. Come see with your own eyes, it's my Donegal. It's my Donegal, rugged hills and stone walls. No one's a stranger. It's my Donegal. It's my Donegal. It's my Donegal, rugged hills and stone walls. No one's a stranger. It's my Donegal.